Well, Storm Éowyn has slammed into Scotland and northern England after leaving a trail of destruction across Ireland. The Republic of Ireland recorded wind gusts of 183 kilometres an hour, its strongest on record. Éowyn left almost 1 million households and businesses in Ireland without power. Scotland and the north of England are also taking a battering from the storm, with rail services cancelled and schools closed out of safety concerns. Earlier, I spoke to journalist Andreas Wolf, who's on a Scottish island in the middle of the storm. He told me more about the situation where he is.
As you say, I'm based here on the Isle of Islay, which is, of course, known for its malt whiskies. It is quite bad here, although where I am, I'm in a little bit of a dip, so it's not so bad in this very location. I did stick my head out of the window earlier on, and it was certainly very, very breezy here. In this building, power has gone off a few times today, and there's currently no mobile phone signal. Indeed, 100,000 homes are currently without power, and trees are down and roads are blocked. On the island of Islay here, the village of Port Ellen is very badly affected by Storm Éowyn, as the seafront is currently flooded. And I saw a picture earlier on of a rooftop of a car which was sticking out of the water only. So they're quite badly affected down there in Port Ellen.
So we're very lucky to catch you while the lights are still on there. I'm curious what people have been told to do to stay safe from this storm.
Yes, there is a red travel alert zone in place in Scotland, which includes the Isle of Islay and goes across to the mainland, to Glasgow and Edinburgh, and also to the south of Scotland. In this area, police have advised people not to travel at all unless it is absolutely essential, and that doesn't include to go for a pint of milk, they've said. So we all got messages on our mobile phones twice, which included a loud signal. This is a new system which was used for the first time, and a message that told people not to venture out at this time. And shops are closed, for example, so it is very quiet, eerily quiet out on the streets there.
So you've been given some advanced warning. This is an issue that governments around the world are dealing with, and I wonder whether it's too soon to say how good the preparation has been from authorities there for this storm.
Well, I would say currently it would seem as if preparations have been quite good. Schools were closed, hospital appointments have been put off, for example. As I say, the shops are closed, trains aren't running, most buses aren't running, planes are, of course, also off. So people are mostly staying at home. The towns like Glasgow and Edinburgh, the cities are eerily quiet. And so far, we are seeing pictures there of damages to buildings and trees coming down, etc. But so far, it would seem that everybody is staying safe.
Well, thank you so much for speaking to us, and please do continue to stay safe. That is journalist Andreas Wolf on the Scottish island of Islay.